Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Subway Surfers completely silent or is it the music and the sound effects distorted while you're running? Here's the fix. First, check the physical mute switch on the side of your phone and make sure it isn't flipped to silent. Then use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned up, not then. Next, go to your settings, go back and go to Bluetooth. Tap on it and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not actually using. Since audio can get routed there instead of your phone speaker, tap the eye next to any connected device and tap disconnect if needed. Force close the Subway Surfers from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh, since the stock audio session often clears on a relaunch. If sound is still missing or distorted, go to your settings, then go back, scroll down to focus, and confirm do not disturb isn't silencing app sounds. Finally, restart your phone completely. Since rebooting resolves the most temporary audio glitches. So all you gotta do is check your mute switch and volume, disconnect straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen and restart if needed. Sound is back to normal and that's it. Subscribe.